In a thrilling homage to one of motorsport's most iconic eras, Ford has unveiled the RS200 concept, a project developed after hours by a dedicated team of engineers and designers. This striking vehicle celebrates the legendary Ford RS200, which made waves during the exhilarating days of Group B rallying in the 1980s. The RS200 combines modern technology with classic styling, aiming to capture the spirit of the original while paving the way for the future of performance vehicles. The Ford RS200 was a game-changer in the world of rallying, renowned for its advanced engineering and remarkable performance. It was a vehicle that pushed boundaries, both in design and capabilities, helping to elevate Ford's reputation in motorsports. The RS200 competed fiercely in Group B, a category known for its intense competition and the introduction of groundbreaking technology. Unfortunately, the era was cut short due to safety concerns, but the legacy of the RS200 continues to resonate with automotive enthusiasts. The RS200 concept pays tribute to this legacy by incorporating design elements that evoke the original's bold aesthetic while integrating modern advancements. The vehicle features a muscular stance, aggressive lines, and an unmistakable silhouette reminiscent of its predecessor. From the iconic front grille to the distinctive rear spoiler, every detail has been thoughtfully crafted to honor the RS200's heritage. Under the hood, the RS200 is equipped with cutting-edge technology that reflects contemporary engineering standards. While specific performance figures have not been disclosed, Ford has hinted that the vehicle will boast a powerful engine capable of delivering thrilling acceleration and handling characteristics. The integration of advanced aerodynamics and lightweight materials will ensure that the RS200 is not only a nod to the past but also a forward-thinking performance machine. Inside the RS200, the design continues to celebrate its roots while embracing modern comforts and technology. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring a blend of high-tech displays and traditional analog gauges that pay homage to the rally heritage. Luxurious materials and supportive seating create an inviting environment for both the driver and passengers, making the RS200 as much a pleasure to drive as it is to admire. One of the standout features of the RS200 is its commitment to driver engagement. Ford aims to create a vehicle that offers a visceral experience, connecting the driver to the road in a way that evokes the thrill of Group B rallying. This focus on performance, combined with modern safety features and technology, positions the RS200 as a vehicle that respects the past while looking to the future. The launch of the RS200 concept also highlights Ford's dedication to innovation and creativity within its ranks. Developed as a side project by passionate employees, this concept showcases the potential for collaboration and ingenuity within the automotive industry. It serves as a reminder that great ideas can emerge from those who are truly passionate about their craft, regardless of the constraints of corporate structure. While the RS200 is currently a concept, it generates excitement about the possibilities for future Ford performance models. The response from enthusiasts and collectors has been overwhelmingly positive, reigniting interest in the brand's rally heritage and its potential for modern performance vehicles. Ford's ability to draw inspiration from its illustrious past while embracing new technologies underscores its commitment to delivering exciting driving experiences. In conclusion, the Ford RS200 concept stands as a remarkable tribute to the legendary RS200 and the golden era of Group B rallying. By merging nostalgic design with modern engineering, Ford has created a vehicle that captures the essence of its rallying heritage while showcasing its innovative spirit. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await further developments, the RS200 serves as a reminder of the excitement and passion that define Ford's performance lineage. Whether as a concept or a future production model, the RS200 is poised to become a symbol of what can be achieved when history and innovation collide in the world of automotive excellence.
you.